Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you all to this session, the second session of this particular poetry. So, in the previous class, we have already studied about the background story of the biographical sketch of the poet T.S. Eliot, and also about the poet. So what do you mean by poet? We have already studied in the previous class. Whole class ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ poetry ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂಬುದನ್ನು. Okay, so in this particular session we have studied about the stanza wise and the background synopsis of this particular poem. Journey of the Maggie is a poem. It is a free verse poem of total 43 lines. It is 43 ಲೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ and made up of up to 3 stanzas. There is no set of rhyme, scheme or meter in British English, and the lines are in the varied length. It is the theme of this poem is that the theme of the poem is effective and spiritual cultural events on the individual identity and the society. The process of renewal of journey of human psyche through history. Journey of the Maggie is especially focused on the Epiphany Matthew of 2:1-12, despite the lack of named reference to this event. The poem Journey of the Maggie is based on the theme of the Bible. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಪೋಯಮನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಬೈಬಲ್ ಮೇಲನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಭರತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ದ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 wise men of the east to Palestine at the time of the Christ birth. ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಜನ್ಮ ನೀಡುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ದ 3 wise men, ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ 3 ಜನರು, ದೇ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಸ್ತೈನ್, the birthplace of Jesus Christ, has been described in a very realistic way. ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಕವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವರ್ಣನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ T.S. Eliot ಅವರು ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಜೀಸಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತ್. The wise men started their journey in the extreme cold of winter to reach the place of Christ's birth, offers present to him. Okay, they are carrying the gift to present at the Palestine where the Jesus Christ is going to birth. So the journey is extremely very horrible. It is our journey ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವೇ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. How they travel from the east to the west, what are difficulties where they find in the particular the journey. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ. ಜರ್ನಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್. Okay, in the course of the journey they got many hardships and sufferings. In spite of they continued their journey throughout the night, because keep it in the mind that they use the camel for the travel. They suffered a lot of things because usually it was night journey. In the way they did not get shelter and food. ತುಂಬ ದೂರನ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅವರು. They travel long to suffer that particular the destination they want to reach, the Palestine. They suffer a lot of things, shelter as well as food. ಇವನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಶ್ರಯ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಊಟನೂ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ದ ಸ್ನೋಯಿ ವೇ ಮೇಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಟಯರ್ಡ್. ಇವೊಂದು ಸ್ನೋನಿ ವೇ, ಆ ಸ್ನೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ when they are putting the legs of the camel, it is difficult to move away. The idea of the beautiful girl who were not present to entertain them is also very imaginative and artistic. During they have stopped their journey, they break their journey and they entertained, okay, with the many more aspects. Again, with the non-cooperation of the people in the way is also very heart-touching. The wise men did not get any help from the people of the cities and town. Because when they're traveling, they ask many more helps, but they never got it. This poem is published in the year of 1927. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು 1927ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೋಯಮನ್ನು ಟಿ.ಎಸ್. ಇಲಿಯಟ್ ಅವರು ಮುದ್ರಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಾಂಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ 25th December of every year. Okay, is a birth celebration of the Jesus Christ. The poem was written shortly after the Eliot conversion to the Anglican faith. Accordingly, though the poem is an allegorical dramatic monologue, the voices are one of the Magi, the three wise men who visit the infant Jesus. It's very special that the infant was that. Jesus was an infant that. It is also generally considered to be the deeply personal poem it is. Indeed, let us come to the point. I will read over the poem line by line. So first of all, a line, first 1 to 5, a cold coming we had of it, just the worst time of the year, for a journey, and such a long journey, the way deep and weather sharp, the very dead of winter. The poem is to be narrated by one of the Magi. The Magi means the person among the three wise men. He tells us that the winter journey is fraught with the challenges. It is very difficult, it is very challenges to reach the particular destination. In fact, they seems to be traveling at the worst time of the year. They thought that it is a very worst time. Even the camels are rebelling at the enormity of it all. We get the general idea that the journey is struggling, a symbol of the strain experienced when one vessel with the matters of the faith. When you go along of the particular this poem, and the second stanza, when you say, and the camels galled, score-footed, refractory, lying down in the melting snow, their wear time we regretted. The summer placed on the slope and terrace, and the skilken girl burning the sharbat. Girl bringing the sharbat. During the journey, as I told you that they took the break and they drink, sharbat, liquor, they enjoyed many more things. I hope, and even though we have given some MCQs for to help you that, there are 5 MQs are there here, MCQs are there. The first MCQ was that, who wrote the poem Journey of the Magi? As you know that, the first option is that William Wordsworth, William Shakespeare, T.S. Eliot and Rabindranath Tagore. The right answer is T.S. Eliot. The second one is, when was the poem written? The poem was written in the year of 1990 or 1978 or 1927 or 1972. The right answer is 1972C. Journey of the Magi consists of how many lines it is? The A option is that 14 lines, 43 lines, 20 lines, 10 lines. The answer is B, that is 43 lines. Name the place where they visit. The answers are A, Palestine, B, America, C, India, D, Pakistan. The answer is A, Palestine. The conclusion over here that I want to explain you that the overall this particular session, this poem was written in 1927 by the T.S. Eliot. One of the surface Eliot poem is about the journey of the Magi, 3 wise men, to the Bethlehem for the birth of the Christ. However, if we dig a little deeper, the poem also highlights the parallel theme, a change or the conversion from the one religious state to another. And it is the same year he converted the Christianity. Who was? T.S. Eliot was. This poem is, it is the Maggie who experienced a sea change in their religious conversations as they traveled. So hope you have understood this session as well as this poem. Thank you one and all.